So we're in beautiful Harborview doing a delivery to this nice lady, but guess what? She's not feeling well. So we're not going to keep her out here in the sun. Want her to get better. It's her birthday. We're tell her happy birthday, but she says it's not her birthday. I really don't know. I'm confused today. So happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How you like the service though?
Oh, it's good. I can't complain.
Can't complain?
Right.
That's good. Or you just pay for it and you get it same time. And I like the view you have. Nice community.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Can't complain.
Okay, when the storm come over though, oh, this is not one community where the water blow from up.
Yeah,
It is?
and the water gush down really fast.
Oh, so it blow all the way up and run down hard. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
When it's sunny, it's nice.
Well, it's a beautiful day today, as you said. And I'm gonna allow you to go and get your rest. Pleasure doing business with you. Looking forward to do a lot more. Alright?
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. So there you have it, guys. There you have it, guys. Even though she is sick, she came out with smiles, accepting her package, watch her don't want to turn around. We allow her to go in. So I'm come over this side. That is how we do it on the delivery trail. Have a good one.